Hey everybody, how's it going today? We were in the neighborhood doing a little trash picking and we found two bikes out of the trash. One is this Specialized Ultra Hard Rock, which the tires were flat, and we brought it home. We put air in the tires, and then we also got this Raleigh SC40. Of course, it's missing its bicycle seat. I don't know why people take their bicycle seats off. And then I don't believe this is the proper bike rack for the back. So we put air in the tires and we lube the chain up, and this one seems to be working pretty good. We found a seat. We're trying to get a better seat for it. We found this little kid seat that had the right size post, so we're going to switch to a new seat. And then on the Specialized bike, there was something wrong with the one-way bearing here in the rear gear. It seems to be slipping. I think it might just be dirty, so I took my friend WD-40 and sprayed it all in there, and it appears to be working at the moment. Probably have to take it apart and clean it. And then I was noticing on the front gear here, we have no gear and no gear there, and then the next one in has some damage, and the third one inside looks okay. So these are bad, and there's no guard. I don't know if it's supposed to have a guard or not, but your pants will get caught in it, and the guard is also missing on that Raleigh also. I have not checked out the gear, so I thought you would just all might like to look at some of the trash finds we found in the neighborhood this weekend. If you like what I'm doing, hey, it gives me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please ring that bell so you can get my videos when they come up new, and we'll talk to you all later.